What's really good, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at it. How you doing? I'm gonna be real quick. I'm gonna do this real quick. Show you how to reset the TPMS. Alright. This is a 2021 Audi A4. I'm gonna show you how to reset the TPMS sensor. Alright, real quick. Before I do that, you know, I'm gonna say it again. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Do that, alright? Do that. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share the video, and the feedback, put it in the comment box. Let me know what you think. Let me know what's in your mind. Put it there in the comment box. If you wanna give thanks, you know, right below this video, there's a heart. It's a stance. Click on that. That's how you can support the contribute to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Do that. Alright. Join the community channel too if you wanna chat live. Know what I'm saying? If you're going through any type of problem with your car, I'm gonna walk you through it and show you how to fix it and do all that. Alright, because I do all that. Alright, let's get it. TPMS, how to reset it. So first you're gonna have to you're gonna see the symbol right here. Okay. Once you fix the tires, if you have a nail, plug it. Alright. But once you plug it, put the right amount of air. You come over here. You're gonna see right there how much air it takes, front and rear. Alright, which is right at the door. Then after that, you're gonna do this to reset the tires, okay? To get that signal going. All right, so you're gonna start the car. You can do it with the car running, it's okay. Okay, now you come here, press the home. Okay, vehicle. All right, now you go settings and service. All right, now you're gonna scroll down all the way down. Tire pressure monitor. Okay, when you have checked and corrected the pressure in all 4 tires, please store the pressures. Store tire pressure. Does the current pressure of all 4 tires match the specified values? Yes. Store now. Storing, please wait. Alright, now you come back over here. It's gone. Alright, that's how you reset the TPMS, that signal. That's how you get that signal going, alright, by doing this. I hope you like this video. You know where to find me. It's Axtuo. Catch me in, I'm gonna throw in how to reset the oil life too, okay? Come in here, go to vehicle, service intervals, click there. This one doesn't need to reset the oil life or reset the service interval, but you see this button right here? It says reset. Click on that. Are you sure you want to reset the oil change interval? Press yes. That's how you reset the oil life once you change the oil in your car, in your Audi. Alright, this is a 2021 Audi A4. Now you know how to do it. You did. Hope you like it. Holla at your boy, Axtuo. Boom. Yeah.